Hello, you are welcome to another edition of our video. In this video, we want to talk about simple statistics, and that is on bar chart. We want to solve a problem on bar chart. We are given a table that shows the number of eggs laid by chicken in a poultry farm within a week, and we are asked to represent the information on a bar chart. So, how do we go about this? We will probably need to clean this first so that we'll be able to use the remaining space because this space cannot occupy it. So let's try to digest this now. This is the information. We have to draw a bar chart, and the space here cannot accommodate the bar chart. Okay, so let's clean it up. Let's clean the question up so that we'll be able to have enough space for our drawing. So we will need to make use of the information which we are given from our notes here. So I think this will be due. This will be okay. All right. Let's have this. I think this is fine. All right. Now, from the information, we have the day and we have the number of eggs. Going back to your information that I've just cleaned now, number of eggs is the frequency. The eggs are laid day by day. So the number of days will come on the horizontal axis, while the number of eggs will come on the vertical. So that is to say that anytime you are asked to represent an information in statistics, the frequency, particularly all these charts, bar charts, histogram, frequency polygon, and the like, the frequency will come on the vertical side, while the remaining information will be on the horizontal side. So don't forget. So we have day, can put day here, day, and the number of eggs, which is our frequency, number of eggs. Okay. Now we may not be able to draw this to scale because we are drawing on the board. So let's assume that these are the spacing. Let's assume. Okay. What is important is for us to understand the techniques. Okay. Don't mind this. Just try to get information. Let's manage that. Yeah, beautiful. So now let's go back to the information we are given, which is not available on the board again. We are going to use information. We are not copying from the note, but we need information. Day one is 10. Day 2. So the days are 1 to 7. So let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and let's call it 7. Good. So that is the day. Now for day 1, we have 10 eggs. Day 2, 15. Day 3, 25. So what we are going to do concerning this number of eggs, we look for the highest number of eggs. We have 25. So let's scale it now. Let's say we have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. I think we can manage this. So if we call this 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Beautiful. So at least the interval is 5. So now the day 1 we have 10. Good. Now when we say bar chart, the word bar there means you have to space out before you construct your this thing. So let me do this. So day 1 we have what? We have 10. Okay. So we have, this is day 1, 10. We want to merge 10 and 1 together. So let's assume that within here we have 5 holes on your graph. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Beautiful. So 1 centimeter, in the centimeter you have 5 holes for 1 centimeter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. So let's assume that we leave two holes on your graph now. This is what I mean by holes. Let's say your graph is like this. Sorry about this. Let's say it's like this. I'm just giving an example. Suppose that is how the calibration is. You have this in your graph. Okay. So we have, this is a centimeter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Vertical. This is in horizontal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's say high. So you understand. So horizontally, I'm talking about, let's say from here to here. If it is vertical, from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm just, it's an illustration, okay? I hope that is clear. Okay. Now, that is it. You can practice this yourself using your graph. So now let's say we leave two holes, two boxes. Let's use your boxes before we start our production. Now it's 1 and 10. So you have to move it up with your ruler, drawn it to scale cleverly. Bring it down on 1. Good. That is it for the first one. Now you leave two boxes here. You leave two boxes here too before you start. That one is saying 2 to 15. On day 2, it laid 15 eggs. So you have left the two old boxes you did before. Draw it up. Draw it up, please. We are not drawing to scale, it's not just to explain to you. Let's come on 2. Now, the third day, 25, third day. So let's leave another 2. Third day, 25, move to 25. Let's say it's 25. Come down, bring it down. Beautiful. Good. Good. Now, the fourth day is 20. Leave another 2 boxes. Draw it from there to 20. Level up to 20. Okay, better. Don't forget it's not drawn to scale. This is just an explanation. The fifth day, 20 again. Leave another 2 boxes. The sixth day, 5. Another 2 boxes. 5 is around here. And the seventh day, 3. Let's say 3 is around 1, 2, 3. So 3 is around there. So leave 2 boxes also. This is 3. So that is it. All right. Bar chart. So that is how to represent the information on bar chart. So please, if you are joining us for the first time, subscribe to this video channel. Do well to click on the notification bell so that each time I upload the video, you'll be notified. Bye.